G'day, it's Damon from Acoustic Solutions Store and Ben Hutter from Autex. Ben, we're here to talk about Lattice Baffles. Why did you bring them to market, and tell us a bit about the product?
So the great thing with Lattice Baffles is that it's a plug and play product. So you can pick standard designs with lots of colour options to create acoustic artwork suspended from the ceiling. But the really cool thing with suspended acoustic products is you actually have more surface area exposed accepting the sound.
So if you've got a limitation on space, you might have 4 walls of glass or something, the ceilings are our go-to.
Exactly.
And that's what we're finding in this market. There's a proliferation of glass and reflective surfaces. Everyone likes polished concrete and glass all around the walls. The ceilings are our go-to. So we can have these amazing acoustic artworks that really absorb a huge amount of sound and also look really cool. So guys, be careful if you're going to install these on the ceiling, because you need to make sure that you don't clash with sprinklers, and you've got to also make sure that you've got proper fixes up in the ceiling so they don't come down. If you've got any issues, talk to your local body council, get that information, and then get in touch.